everyone. How are you doing? I hope that you would be great in your life. So, first of all, I welcome you in this another learning English session. Yes, and today I am going to tell you that how I started thinking in English. When it comes to me in starting, I used to fumble a lot, hesitant a lot because somewhere I was not aware how to speak in English. I used to translate every single thing from my native language to English. So it takes time because whatever I was thinking, it was in my own language only. I keep prepare all the conversation in my head. Yes, in my first I used to write. First, I used to write it, or I used to memorize it in my mind, and then I used to deliver it in front of others. So it used to take a lot of time. It was not coming to me naturally and spontaneously because I was not into the process of how to think in English. Even I was not aware that there is any technique, or this is also the strategies that how to think in English. When I used to listen these kind of videos, and I used to listen from others that think in English, so I keep on thinking that how to think in English. Everyone just talking about that one should think in English to speak spontaneously, but nobody was telling the ways that how to start clearly. So somewhere I just started somehow from my own experience. I was listening multiple videos on how to think in English. So after that, I came to know that there could be something, means some strategies or some techniques that I can follow. I took something from some expertise, and some other activities from others videos, and then I combined it together. Then I made my own experience. So today I am going to share these techniques also. So the number one technique that I am going to share how to think in English, first is just immerse yourself into English. Yes, immersion is important, means surround yourself into English. Whenever you are surrounded with this language, if you really want to speak, so you need to see everything in English. You need to watch every video, podcast, news, whatever you want to watch in English only. And whatever you want to listen, whether you are listening songs or whether you are listening any particular videos, so try to listen in English. So that time you are giving input to your mind, and every input is going into one language, that is English. Because somewhere there is no file in your head that is called English. If you are going to speak from someone, and you want to search some words, if you have not set it in your mind, so how you are going to give output? So it's important that they should have some input to give output. So that's why I started to immerse myself, to surround myself in English. And it's also a very hard task, a very difficult task, to just surround yourself with English. If you think that you have to live with such an atmosphere, or there should be someone with whom you can talk, so it's not quite possible. You need to create your own atmosphere. How you can create? Just make a list of some videos, and go through that videos multiple times. Yes, listen it at repeated form, and watch it also at repeated form, one particular videos or two particular videos. At that time it is going to give you thinking practice. So immersion is must. Okay, and now next technique is that is naming the things. Yeah, naming the things means whatever is there surrounded by you, you need to name it. Suppose if you are in dining room, so just look around your dining room, say that are you able to speak everything in English. If you are in kitchen, are you able to say the name of every spices, every utensils, whatever you are using? Are you able to say name of every essential things in your bathroom? Are you able to speak everything about railway station or bus station or at your workplace? Means the things about which you are not aware, just write down in a diary or a register, and after that look for it, that what is the meaning of or what is the spelling of that particular word. Means just enhance your vocabulary. When you would feel that yes, you are aware of all the surrounding things, so you would feel confident, and it is must, it is imperative for your growth and to think in English. Because if there are lots of words and you are aware of the English of those words, so it means that you are going to think about these words in English only. So, and that works definitely. Suppose if you are using one kind of knife, okay, but every time you are saying it chaku chaku, okay, so that is not going to work with you. But if deliberately you are saying it knife, if you want to use one particular word like oven, and you are saying it multiple times in English only, in spite of saying tandoor. So that's the thing. Means the things that you know in Hindi, you need to speak deliberately in English. Yeah. So it is the naming the things. Just try to name all the things, whatever you see around you. So first you did immersion of English. You just surrounded yourself with English. Now second is naming the things, and third is to describe the object. Yes. Now we start from small. Like we started with words, with vocabulary, simple vocabulary, naming the describing words. Okay. Now I am going to take one particular thing. Suppose Suppose I have this Fevicol. This is an object. So we can talk about it. This is a small bottle of Fevicol. It is really very cheap. It is not very expensive, and it is white in color. It's very useful whenever I have to paste something in my son's holiday homework. So I can use it wisely, and I can make and create lots of things after using it, and it helps me to make a wonderful file. So in this way you can speak anything about any object. You need to just speak. Okay, so just choose one small object and do object talking. It's important when you are going to speaking somewhere, you are just thinking in English that what I can say about it. Okay, just add some adverbs and add some adjective with one particular object, so it would be easy to you to describe one thing. Suppose if I say that this bottle, if I'm just adding one adjective, so I can say this cute small bottle. Okay, and if I say that that it works smoothly, means it works in flow. So I'm just adding ly with smooth. So in this way we can use adverb, adjective, and some connectors, and elaborate it. Whatever you want to see, just elaborate it. So this is describing. After taking object, you can do object talking. And another technique that you can use to think in English, that is picture description. Yeah, you can take any picture. Means you can just search on Google or you can take a book of your children as well, and there you would find lots of pictures in the book. So just take it and elaborate it, that what are you seeing in this picture. First start from naming words like nouns, and after that try to add some sentences out of those nouns, and just add conjunction and so many things like adjectives, and try to frame small sentences and describe that what story that particular picture is saying. Okay, if you are not able to speak on that, so just write on about that. Take any picture and give a small description. Yes, whenever you write, so that time also you are just in the process of thinking in English. That is also the great way to think properly and wisely. And what are the other activities that you can do to start thinking in English? That is your daily activities, your daily routine. Yeah, just describe with your daily routine. Means when it comes to me, I can start like I get up early in the morning at 4 o'clock, then I freshen up and I do yoga for 1 hour, and then I do meditation. After completing my yoga, I just get ready to go to school, and after that I deliver my classes over there, and at afternoon I come back and rejuvenate myself with a tea, and then I do my English spoken practice. And after doing my practice, I just energize myself after a beautiful and healthy conversation with my family. Then after completing my evening chores, I again start my practice with English. I do journaling. In this way I say hi and bye to my day. So in this way, it was the example only. You can describe your day, that what did you do in the whole day. Okay, you can add if you don't want to say about whole day, if you don't want to narrate your whole day, you can use only 5 sentences, that what are the 5 things, what were the 5 important things that you did, okay, in the in whole day. So in this way you can describe your day. Sometimes you can describe your present day, and sometimes you can describe your past day. Okay, so just talk about your routine. This is also the good technique to think how to think in English. Yeah, lovely. I think that you are going to just consume all kind of activities. You are going to consume this video properly, and you are going to do implementation as well if you want to think in English, isn't it? So next thing what you can do, if you really want to get start to think in English, so first of all make a goal that by hook or by crook I just want to devote 2 minutes for thinking in English, or 10 minutes to thinking in English. You can make your small video. Okay, you can shoot your own video, and you can speak whatever you want to speak. You can speak about your family members, about your friends. You can describe your particular person whose character you love the most. You can describe any movie, you can describe any serial character in which you take interest. So just think in English means only to elaborate everything. Okay, elaborate the things. If you know how to elaborate the single things, so you can work very well, that how you are going to think in English. So these were some exercises that you can do very well, and it's not too tough, but yes, it takes time. As Rome was not built in a day, in the same way, you are not going to be under the process of thinking in English. You need at least 2 to 3 minutes to think in English. And when the process is over, or when you feel that now I am able to speak each and everything, I am able to describe the things very well. So that time you need not to think. Uh, all those words and all the concepts are going to come into your mind automatically in English only. And in this way, whenever you are going to connect with strangers, or you want to connect your solo videos, so there is already the process of thinking in English. You are able to express your thoughts because you are not translating now, because whatever process was there, you have just lived it in the loop. Okay, so this is the thing. I hope that you would love it. Only loving is not enough, just enjoy it and do implementation with joy, love, and fun. Because if you are going to learn it, you can forget, but if you want to enjoy the process, so you are not going to forget, because every single moment you are loving. And whenever the things we take with care, so these are always in our heart. I hope that you would love this video. Bye bye, have a nice day.